Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and please leave your comments. And if you would, please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all check my link in the description box below. It's to my stun guns books, my course. Everything that I have is in that one link. Please check it out. Y'all, if you didn't see last night's Late Night with Walter show, it was at 10 o'clock. Please go back and watch that. Every night at 10 p.m. I have a show, and we do not talk about stimulus or politics there. We just lay back and have fun. I do answer your questions there, but if you ask questions about politics or stimulus, I won't answer those. Please check it out. You might like it. Y'all, Wall Street is crashing again. And what are you willing to bet? That the feds will bail them out again. But they will give the American people not one penny of help. But since all the rich people in Washington plays the stock market, and all of their friends and family plays the stock market, they will get a bailout again with our tax money. This is just not right at all. This is one reason I say they all have to go. And I say to all members of Congress, what about we the people? When will we get a little help? Come on, y'all, throw us a bone like you do your rich friends. And you know your rich friends do not need the help. Come on, Congress. Act like your jobs depend on it, because they do. And November the 3rd, we're going to show you. We're going to vote you all out of office. Y'all, the governor of New Hampshire, Chris Sununu, said that the American people would be better off to vote all members of Congress out and start over fresh. I agree with him 100%. Governor Sununu went on to say he thinks American people are sick and tired of nothing. Fire them all, and he says he really means that. El Paso, Texas is now facing a 2-week stay-at-home order with a curfew. If they don't follow the rules of the stay-at-home order and curfew, they will have to pay a fine up to $500 each offense. The hospitals in Texas are at capacity, and cases are still rising. There was 80,000 new cases in the U.S. on Saturday and Sunday of this past weekend, and on Monday there was 70,000 new cases. Y'all, we are not far from a lockdown in the whole country. If we don't do something now to slow COVID cases down, we will face another lockdown. Y'all, when they implement this new lockdown, everything is going to close up again. People's going to lose their jobs again. People's going to lose their businesses again. More and more people's going to lose their homes, their cars, and their lives. Y'all, we can take care of this ourselves by wearing masks. But most people do not want to wear a mask. If we're going to get out of this, we have to wear a mask. Y'all, we have to vote them out of office. There's so many people saying that they're not going to vote this year because it's a waste of time. Please do not feel that way. If you feel that way, you're giving up your voice. You're giving up your right as an American to pick and choose your leaders. If you don't vote, and in the back of your head you're kind of leaning towards this one candidate, and you don't vote because you don't think it's going to count, you gave that vote to the other candidate. You've lost your voice. You freely gave up your right. Americans don't do that. So if you are a real American, if you call yourself American and you love this country, you need to get out and do your duty as an American and vote. If you don't vote, you don't have a voice, and you don't have a right to complain when stuff goes the opposite way than what you want it to. Y'all, they keep talking about all the progress they make with their talks, Nancy Pelosi and Steve Mnuchin. Every time they talk, they say they getting closer and closer, a lot of progress. Well, they're not saying that anymore. They've changed their tune. Now they're saying it wasn't much progress. And now yesterday, they didn't even talk at all. Stimulus talks has stopped. That's a bad sign. We won't get a stimulus package until after the election. And I will say it again, we will not see anything implemented from that package until after the first of the year. Then when we get that stimulus package after the first of the year, I can almost guarantee that will be the last one we ever see. Because they gave us one at the beginning of this year and it was pretty easy to get. Now they've been fighting all this time to get another one. We're not going to get it until after the new year. Why do you think they're going to give us another one next year? If it took this long to get a package this time, they're not going to give us another one. This will be our last one. Y'all, it's time to vote them all out of office. I can't stress it any more than that. And people say, well, if you vote them out of office, well, you're going to get worse. How can it be any worse? People are starving. People are losing their homes, their jobs. They're losing everything. They're living in cardboard boxes. They're using the bathroom in the street. How can it get any worse? Y'all, I don't know how other way to let everybody know how important voting is this year. But I can tell you, if you're tired of all the stimulus talk on all of these channels, you need to check out my Late Night with Walter show every night at 10 p.m. We don't talk stimulus there. We don't talk politics. We just lay back and have fun, and we talk about anything else but stimulus and no politics. I look forward to seeing y'all over there. Last night was my 12th show, and it's going good. Everybody that's there telling me how much they love it. Y'all, please check out my link in the description box below. You know how I used to have all of my links down there to all my different websites? Well, now I've changed that. I got one link down there. That one link will get you to everything I have. I'm really proud of this change. Please check it out. Even if you don't want to get anything, I would love for you to see it. And also, on every one of my websites, I've got free blogs. It's good information that you can read on all of my websites. Be sure and check those out. You don't have to buy anything for them. The blogs are free. Y'all, we will get out of this, and we will get out of it better than what we was when we came in. Every time you face a storm, it's because God is preparing something better for you on the other side. Y'all, I know that for a fact. Because before I had my cancer, I was struggling every day just to make ends meet. I was struggling every day to go to work and bust my butt for 9 hours a day. Then I got cancer. It looked like my life was over. They gave up. They called hospice in. When I beat cancer with the help from Jesus Christ, I seen what he had to give me. My life is so much richer now. My life is so much better now that Jesus got me through that storm. Jesus will not bring you to a storm that he's not going to see you through. I have 100% faith in that. We will get through this too. Y'all please watch the video that's popping up here now. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And just know I love you all, and I'll see you again today at 12 p.m.